first time I'm attending a lecture on AI. And it was so novel for me when I came to know, when I heard about this AI university, and I was very inquisitive to know what is what about. It was a very fantastic workshop. We had three very eminent speakers who gave us a lot of information about AI and how to implement those AI in schools for the students and also in the junior colleges. The campus is so beautiful. The moment we entered the campus, it was as good as a resort. A feeling that gave us a very soothing feeling that gave to all of us who attended this workshop. I think it is a must visit for every student and every parent who really want to introduce AI into their life and into their career. It was a pleasure attending the workshops here. Most important thing I liked about this place is, of course, the environment in the first place. The vicinity is great, giving a very positive vibe for us to especially to carry on their career fields and the studies over here. Second most important thing I liked about this university in general is the three goals on which it is working. I mean, globalization, digital transformation, and sustainability, the most important part, which I think it's the need of the hour that we start working on that. And I'm very happy to know that one of the universities has already started working on it. So that's the most important catch point. I got it from, the insight I got from this university that they're already working on the sustainability part. So I had a pleasure attending the sessions here. A wonderful experience coming to AI University. It is an institute which I've seen for the first time, which is going beyond education, way to beyond education. Some institute which has been fulfilling all the STT course. It is giving a complete different approach to learning is what I like. We had interesting pre-sessions. The environment around is very positive. It's in the nature's lab, making it more beautiful and exciting.
Here is indeed a good experience because the things that we have gone through till now in this whole campus of Universal University, it is, I feel, the amenities which students actually need to increase their more practical experience and to become such candidates which the industry actually requires. I feel this campus and the things this college or this university is providing to the students, I feel that is extraordinary, and that is something which is to be shown to many more, so that the people who are thinking of getting their graduations, maybe their masters done from foreign universities, even they can get it done in India and over here itself. Thank you very much.
It's a very nice experience to be here. A lot of AI knowledge as well as a business development knowledge we learned about it. So kudos to the Universal AI University, and thanks a lot.
My experience was very nice because before coming here I was not knowing much about the AI concept. But coming here, at least I got something to tell to my friends, and definitely this is going to be a need on our future. And this university is really doing good in this field, in this scheme. Thank you very much.
It will be an eye-opener where we came to know about so many various schools, and I think so this is somewhere definitely going to help or to interact to our students. And thank you so much for a wonderful hospitality, and thank you for inviting us.